Hey, Matt from Roof Racks Galore, and today we're looking at the Wolfpack Pro storage boxes. Some of the great features of these boxes is they're actually made from an impact-resistant plastic, making them really strong and resilient and can handle a lot of abuse. One of the other great things about them is they've got this latching lid with a rubber seal running around the perimeter. So when it's latched closed, it really does help make this water and dust resistant, making it perfect for outdoor use. They also have a honeycombed lid and base design, really helping reinforce that strength. They're also designed to be stackable as well, so you can stack multiple on top of each other and they'll still be nice and sturdy for while you're traveling. There is also the Wolfpack Pro High Lid Edition as well, which gives you an extra 60 millimeters of height in the roof, just in case you are running out of space in the traditional Wolfpack Pro. There is one thing to consider with the Wolfpack Pro and the Wolfpack Pro High Lid is they will not stack with the original Wolfpack. There is a huge range of accessories available for these boxes as well, from different ways to mount and to secure them to your vehicle, as well as different internal storage layouts as well, from perfectly sized storage bags to padding inserts. And so that is the Frontrunner Wolfpack Pro.